and Cleveland has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for Medina County in northeastern Ohio, northeastern Ashland County, southwestern Summit County in northeastern Ohio, northern Wayne County in northeastern Ohio, southeastern Lorain County, until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 8:33 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Lorain, or 12 miles west of Medina, moving southeast at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour with gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to trees and power lines. Locations impacted include Akron, Medina, Cuyahoga Falls, Brunswick, Barberton, Wadsworth, Orville, Richmond, Doylestown, Lodi, Creston, West Salem, Chippewa Lake, Stowe, Norton, Fair Lawn, Sullivan, Seville, LaGrange and Penfield. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time for the following counties in Ohio: